This is the new 2021 iPad Pro, the second gen Apple Pencil, and also the new Magic Keyboard cover. In the iPad Pro box, we have the, wait for it, iPad Pro. This is the 12.9-inch cellular version. It's got 1 terabyte of storage and 16 gigabytes of RAM. For those of you following along at home, that is a lot of RAM to put in an iPad. Got a quick start guide and some Apple stickers, power block, and the USB-C cable. This is the second generation Apple Pencil. Nice little matte finish to it, recharges magnetically along the side of the iPad. I like that. And the next thing we have is the Magic Keyboard. This year you can get a white one. That's what this is, and the iPad Pro snaps on magnetically. What's it like to draw on? I've got a full review of this beast. Click through to my channel to watch that right now, and don't forget to subscribe.